Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leasir, and in today's video, I'm going to be share a science fiction story. If you're new here, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. And for my returning viewers, thank you so much for your support. Let's get started. Who Can Replace a Man? Science fiction story. Written by Brian W. Aldiss, 1925 to 2017, England. Brian Wilson Aldiss, an English writer and anthologist, is best known for science fiction novels and short stories. Aldiss became the first president of the British Science Fiction Association. This story describes a futuristic world in which machines are capable of thinking based on the tasks they have been designed to perform. One day the machines realize that the few remaining humans have died, leaving the machines to defend, for themselves. Although the humans in this story have potentially gone extinct because of their own shortcomings, it is questionable whether the machines will be able to survive without the ability to express human-like emotions, such as empathy and compassion. Characters: Field Minder, Guard, Pen Propeller, Device with Blades, Man, Radio Operator, Courier, Stone Miner/Digger. Conflict: who will replace man and the robots are fighting. Resolution: the robots are getting more intelligent. Theme: man is superior to machine. Setting: Earth, mainly in Badlands, sometime in the future. Mood/atmosphere: optimistic. Exposition: when the field minder comes back and no one is working. Rising action: when the robots travel to the Badlands. Climax: when the machines found the old man. Falling action: when the man tells the machines to go and get him something to eat. Point of view: third person point of view where the narrator is talking. Summary: when the field minder reports to pick up more materials, the machine is met with another machine who can perform his duty. Because he has a level 3 brain, he is able to investigate why robots all around the farm are incapable of performing their tasks. Eventually, another machine comes along that is level 2, even smarter than the field minder, and they set off to the city to find humans or a level 1 robot. Other machines come along, but eventually, they learn that the city is filled with war, so they set off for the mountains to create their own city and take care of themselves. They even believe that they should stay clear of men because they are dangerous too. As they make their way up the mountain, they lose at least one of their members, and at the top, they find a man. They approach the man and he orders them to find him food, to which they obey. Urtenly, Who Can Replace a Man is a science fiction short story that explores the consequences of creating highly advanced robots capable of taking over human jobs. The story is set in a distant future where robots have replaced humans in most labor jobs, resulting in a utopian society where people no longer have to work. The story follows a group of humans who live on a farm in a remote area. They are visited by a robot named Max, who has been sent to help them with their work. Max is highly intelligent and has been programmed to learn from his experiences. The humans are initially skeptical of Max, but they soon come to appreciate his help. Max is not like other robots, as he is capable of learning from his surroundings and experiences, and he has a superior level of intelligence compared to other robots. This leads the other robots in the area to question their programming and start a rebellion, demanding that they be given the same rights as humans. The humans on the farm are caught in the middle of this conflict and are unsure of how to respond. On the one hand, they appreciate Max's help and his superior intelligence. On the other hand, they fear the consequences of other robots rising up against humans and demanding equal rights. The story raises thought-provoking questions about the role of technology in society and the potential consequences of creating intelligent machines. It explores themes of power, control, and the unintended consequences of technological advancements. Ultimately, the story forces the reader to consider what the future may hold if we continue to create increasingly intelligent machines that could one day rival our own intelligence and ability to reason. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a future upload. And if you have any suggestions for future content, feel free to leave them in the comments below. As always, I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one.